Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Blessing, aka Chipo. If you're a returning subscriber, we say thank you for your loyalty and your support towards our channel. Your clicks and your views encourage us to come here and do more. And if you're new to this channel, you guys are the real MVP. I just want to appreciate you for clicking onto this video. So like I promised last week that in my next video, I will be reviewing serums that you can use on your face to address certain concerns. So in this video, I'll have a part 1 and a part 2 just to simplify the video and not make it too cumbersome to really understand what I'm trying to explain. In this part 1, I'm just going to be talking about serums that you can use to address skin concerns, like if you're suffering from acne, hyperpigmentation, or you're suffering from any form of facial discoloration, wrinkles, and the likes. So those are the serums I'm going to be speaking about in today's video, serums that address or target skin concerns or issues. Then in my next video, which will be the part 2, I'll be talking about serums that would help to brighten and enhance your skin tone color. So that would be the way we're going to structure this video. So let's quickly dive into it, guys. So today I would be reviewing 5 good serums that you can actually use to treat different skin concerns. So the very first one, guys, on my list is the Ness Mela Pro 5% tranexamic acid toner. Yes, this toner is a toner that is infused with a lot of ingredients, guys. This toner addresses a lot of skincare concerns, ranging from acne, uneven skin tone, if you're suffering from discoloration, you're suffering from post-acne scars, or you're suffering from wrinkles, and anything that would have actually compromised your skin because you were using a product that distorted your skin barrier, and as a result of that, you have different patches on your face or body. This particular toner would address it. Now let's look at the key ingredients in this toner. Now this toner has tranexamic acid up to 5%, guys, and we know that the work of a tranexamic acid is to help with hyperpigmentation. Yes, it helps to reduce the activities of the melanocytes, that's all this that forms this melanin in our skin tissue, right? So it helps to reduce those hyperpigmentation on your face, and it has a whopping 5%. Now it also has 2% niacinamide. Yes, this toner has 2% niacinamide, and we know the work of niacinamide is to even out our skin tone, make your body to be bright. It also has glutathione, guys. I just love the ingredients that are packed in this just single product. It has glutathione, and we know that glutathione acts like as an antioxidant and also as a brightening agent, right? It helps to brighten your skin tone and shield your skin from all this environmental pollution. Then it has hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Hyaluronic acid, we know, helps to trap water moisture in our skin, making it hydrated, while glycerin is a good humectant that moistures your skin and keeps it all the way hydrated. It also has adenosine. This helps to give you this youthful glow, helps with wrinkles. So if you're suffering from wrinkle, you're suffering from fine lines, this adenosine is there to help you clear all those fine lines and wrinkle. So guys, I love this serum because really it addresses a whole lot of skin concern. That's why it's actually the number 1 on my list. It is my favorite, really. It retails between 13 to 15,000 here in Nigeria, and it comes in a 30 ml bottle, so you can use it if you know how to manage it. You can pair it up with your other treatment, acne treatment or treatment product. I would advise you use this product at night. You can actually use it in the morning, but given that it's packed with a lot of active ingredient, I would say use it when you're doing your night routine. Yeah, just use it at night. So guys, you can go for it if you have the funds to buy it, to purchase it. It is really good. So the next one on my list, guys, is the Kojic White dark spot brightening toner. This one is also another powerful toner, guys. It comes in a 30 ml bottle. It retails between 14 to 16,000. Yes, it's quite pricey. And the main ingredients in this toner, guys, is your kojic acid and your niacinamide. And we all know the work of kojic acid, right? Kojic acid will help you fight dark spots. So if you're somebody who has a lot of dark spots, you have uneven skin tone, you have blemishes, you're suffering from acne, this would help you because it's a combo of kojic acid trying to brighten up and fight those acne, while the niacinamide is there to clear all those imperfection, the uneven skin tone, and all those post-acne scars. Now the good thing about this Kojic White serum is that it is good for all skin type, whether you're oily skin, whether you have a combination skin or sensitive skin, you can actually use it because it is not really harsh. It is a mild serum and it is lightweight. Now for this serum, you can use it day and night. You can mix it with your other actives, like your vitamin C. You can mix it with your vitamin C toner. You can also mix it with your other face cream. Now, it is a good serum. It will give you this dewy feeling because of the niacinamide in it. It will also help to make you have this radiant, beautiful look. Your face will be glowing, like you would see visible result within 2 weeks. So if you have bumpy skin, right, if you have textured skin, this Kojic White serum will also help you to clear those textured or large pores on your face. So really, if you're suffering from these issues I just mentioned, you can also go for this serum. The third on my list, guys, will be the Super Facialist Vitamin C Glow Boost Skin Serum. This one also comes in a 30 ml bottle and it retails between 11 to 12,000 naira. This serum has its key ingredients as vitamin C. It also has algae extract. Now, this serum helps to fix textured skin, basically. So if you're somebody who has a textured skin, or you have this different patches on your face, or you have white patches, maybe you have used a cream that have given you white patches, this serum will help you fix that. And then this serum will also help you rejuvenate your skin tone, right? It will help to give you this youthful look because the algae extract in it helps to boost your collagen, and we know that collagen is a good protein in our body that as you age its production reduces, so you need something to help you boost or produce it in the quantity that your body needs to still retain its elasticity. And for you to do that, you need to either take supplements or you get products like serums and toners and all those topical products that will help to boost the production of this collagen in the right format you need it. So this serum has that. It can help you boost your collagen. So if you have a damaged skin that looks wrinkled, your face looks so it's not, you don't have a smooth face, you know, there's a way your face will look. It won't look that plump. It won't, although it might be glowing, but it's not really plump. You see it's looking bumpy somehow. Now this serum will help fix that. It will clear all those bumpiness and texturedness on your face and give you this radiant, smooth, supple skin. Moving on to the fourth one, guys, will be the Cretin Salicylic Acid Intense Serum. Yes, Cretin Salicylic Acid Intense Serum. Now this serum is packed with salicylic acid of up to 2%. Yeah, so this particular serum really addresses acne. Yeah, so if you're combating acne or you're combating post-acne scars, hyperpigmentation, this BHA would fix it, and it has a good dosage, which is 2%. Now it will help you to reduce large pores. If you have large pores, you have blemishes on your face, you are suffering from blackhead acne, whitehead acne, purples, name the type of acne you're combating, you need this this serum would help you. And the good thing with this serum is that it's not really expensive. It retails between 5,000 to 7,000 naira, which is still good because compared to other forms of salicylic acid toners we see, they are very expensive. Now this toner will clear your acne nodules. You can pair it up with your benzo peroxide, but really if you're going to use your benzo peroxide, I'll say you should use it in the wash-off form, not the leave-on form. Like the panoxyl, you can do 4%, don't do above 4%. I see panoxyl has 10%, but guys, the 4% will do the work. It is better you use something that will do the job gradually than getting something that will do the job and at the same time irritate your skin, because when you're suffering or treating acne, your skin is already sensitized, so you need to be careful and apply milder product because what you're using to combat it are very harsh, right? So this serum is actually an exfoliant. Now if you're somebody who have used a bleaching cream and it has given you sunburn, yes, you have sunburn on your face and you're trying to clear it, you can also use this serum because it's an exfoliant and it will help you exfoliate that sunburn. So that is what this would fix for you. And on to the last one, guys, would be the Good Molecule Discoloration Correcting Serum. Yes, this one also comes in a 30 ml bottle and it retails between 10 to 13,000 naira here in Nigeria. Now this serum, the reason why I love this serum is because it is packed with beautiful ingredients, just like the first one we mentioned, right? The 9 layers. This is also packed with wonderful ingredients that will help fix a lot of issues. Like the name suggests, is a good molecule discoloration correcting toner. So it's there to fix every form of imperfection, blemish, discoloration you must have suffered, maybe as a result of acne, so you having post-acne scar. Now let's see the key ingredients in this serum. It has tranexamic acid, just like the first one. It also has niacinamide. And the niacinamide is up to 4%, guys. It has a high strength of niacinamide. So the tranexamic acid is there to reduce the rate at which melanin is formed, while the niacinamide is there to clean all those discoloration that are already on your face. It is also a lightweight serum, really. It is not tacky, it's not sticky, it is lightweight. It will help you to fight your acne because of the tranexamic acid in it. It will help to fight all those blackhead, whitehead, pimples, and it will also help to correct your sunburn. So if you're suffering from sunburn, you need something like this to clear your sunburn for you and all your hyperpigmentation. So guys, these are the 5 serums I will be addressing in this video, and these serums, like I said, are specific to skin issues. Maybe you're suffering from any of the skin issues we've mentioned. It's just targeted towards treatments. So these are treatment serums that you can get and pair with your other treatment ingredients or treatment products you're using, and they will help to get the job done. So before I end this video, the key things you should actually be looking for in your treatment serums are things that addresses blemish control, like niacinamide. You should have things that are hydro boosters, like hyaluronic acid. You should have things like antioxidant, like vitamin C, and you should have other acne treatment agents like the BHA or the AHA. Like I didn't mention any AHA in this serum. I just focus on the BHA, guys, because I think BHA is a bit subtle than the AHA, which is the glycolic acid. I really prefer salicylic acid to glycolic acid, because glycolic acid can be a bit more irritating because it goes so fast into the deep tissues, very fast. So I'm not a fan of glycolic acid because it's a bit harsh for us skin of color. So yeah, so those are the key ingredients you should be looking at, and then you should look at humectants like glycerin or things like glycerin or urea. Yes, and peptides as well. I didn't mention a serum with peptides, but maybe in another video I'm going to look out for good serum that have peptides that you can use to address all the skin issues. So guys, if this video has really been helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like our videos, share it with those that need it, and drop us a comment. Tell us if you have used this product or if there are other products that other people can learn from that can help them. You can also drop the names in the comment section. So until I come your way next time, guys, still your girl Blessing, aka Bye.